We're going out to the office now. Lucy, you said you'd know all the cows.
You would know all the cows. You see them twice a day, every day.
Yeah, so you have favourites?
Oh yeah, of course. You have to have favourites.
But then do you have some that are not favourites?
Yeah.
Hello. We're going into the office now. We'll surely find Nicholas in the office, hopefully, will we?
Hopefully, anyway.
Okay.
Generally,
Nicholas?
I'm in here, sir.
Oh yeah, this is where all the big business goes on.
Oh yeah.
So you're going to take me for a little tour around?
I'm going to take you for a full tour, sir. Yeah.
That's grand. Right, so we'll go off then and see what we can see.
Grand, like.
I suppose the first thing now, Nicholas, is introduce yourself.
Right.
Where we are and all like that.
Well, I'm Nicholas Dunne, and
Yeah.
you're in the heart of Courtnacuddy, which
Yes.
is just under the Backstairs Mountains as such. We're here for the last 9 generations.
There's Dunnes here in this farm.
Here, our relations are done here for 9 generations.
Oh, lovely,
Yeah. So it's a long history. So the yogurt plant is here since.
Here, I'm far enough away if you pull up that shield there for me. You're not going to. I'm more than 2 meters away from you.
So we're in yogurt here, producing yogurt here since 2004.
And Tom was in cows before I make. I don't know whether I make cows or not. I certainly paired the cows here for years.
Oh, for years, yeah.
Years.
30, 40 years, sir.
So Tom, I paired cows for Tom and all like that.
Yeah. And previous to that then.
And so how long are you making yourself then?
So I'm here for the last 30 years.
Right.
Yeah, making and going through.
And now the company then is.
Yeah, 2004.
Clone.
Yeah, Clone. So we started off Clone Yogurt in 2004.
Now, was that Paul Kinston's company?
Yeah. So Paul Kinston, who, and to just take it back even a step farther than that, very few people remember Stanieside Dairies. So that was set up down in
That was Eamon Brown and.
Yeah, and
couple like that,
yeah. There was 5 or 6 different farmers, and that they got set up into that. Went into liquid milk.
And that Paul Kinston was part of that group.
Paul Kinston was part of that group, and it was set up. The dairy was set up on his farm
down in Killorn.
Down in Killorn there.
Yeah. Is Killorn the?
Killorn is the town's land. That Stanieside Dairies was set up in.
I never knew that. Now that's interesting.
Yeah.
Because I make cows even for Paul. Paul came from Glaslacken in Bunclody before he bought Killorn. Now that's going back a long.
Now you're going back a long time.
That's long before your time.
Oh, long before. So Paul and Lorna, when Stanieside Dairies became Avonmore,
right?
Was sold on to Avonmore, and then Paul went into producing yogurt and desserts.
All right.
And Paul was a bit of a genius.
Yeah.
And he did, like, when it comes to formulation, and he formulated actually the base yogurt for what is Cologne, the base product for Cologne.
Right.
Same cultures we use and that in it. But he formulated, and he was one of the first in the country to produce yogurt, and particularly bio-live yogurt. And live yogurt was Paul's thing at the time.
And how is Paul keeping now?
Yeah, Paul's in good order. Paul's one of the fittest men for his age he's ever come across.
Right.
A phenomenal athlete, but a great brain. But really had. It was easy to take on Cologne after Paul in the sense of when you have a really good product.
Yes, when it's well established and
it was well established and
the product was good like that.
The product was good and what we've tried to do is just and over the years we've been able to make it. I suppose that's the third piece here is you continuously improve it day in, day out. You try to improve. Sometimes you fail, and you have to go back a little bit. But like in general, the whole piece is better every day or whatever. We're trying to do better every day.
So now there'll probably be noise then, but we'll move on now and we'll park in the stalls. We just see what's in here then.
Yeah. So what we're going to see still is we're going to see in the milk now has come from the bull tank in the milking parlour. So some of the milk now that's after being processed this morning is probably only after being it was probably in the field an hour or 2 hours ago.
Right.
Yeah. So the cows have come in, they've been milked, and now some of their milk is actually inside here.
Coming directly into the plant.
Coming directly in.
Just being cooled down.
Yeah, it just gets cooled into the bull tank in the dairy, then sent into our raw milk tanks here in the factory. So the milk, the oldest milk that we were processing this morning is yesterday evening.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Right, that's great. And I thought you have to go in there, yeah? Good morning. So now like this.
Now, so you're in the first stage of production, which is these are raw milk tanks.
Right.
Right. So the milk comes inside. We start heating here.
Yeah.
We have here the separator, and if we want to take a little bit of cream off, we will need the separator to take some cream off.
That's actually the separator, is
That's
it?
the actual separator. So if we want to separate milk, we just hook into the pipe and we'll run milk through it.
Yeah.
Cream comes off one end and the skim comes out the bottom end.
Right.
Yeah. So that's all we have here. That's our wash area at the bottom of the whole place is washed through that station, so it's from the room.
Yeah.
Two raw milk tanks, that's where our raw milk comes in.
Yeah.
So we're quite noisy next door. So what we're doing next door is we're pasteurising the milk.
Yeah.
We'll homogenise it, and what homogenisation does is it makes sure that we get an even, the milk is even, so we don't have, the cream won't rise to the top, so you have a nice uniform product. So all it just gives it a positive charge, so the fats rebound off one another.
Yeah.
And then it goes into the top of the room here to go into fermentation.
Yeah.
So what that means is that after pasteurisation we chill it back down to around 35, 36 degrees. We add our culture, and 6 hours later then the yogurt is actually made.
Right.
So that's what happens. You see that's what happens next door.
Okay.
Pasteurizer, homogenizer.